What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is that time yet again. We have a mail call. Now, before we get to this package, just a quick track update. So if you guys have not seen my current post on the channel, we are going to be finishing up the races with these 6 drivers right here. It's going to be the final race. Whoever is the king of the tower is going to be the final winner, and we're gonna get the next round of drivers to go up against the track. Then we're also gonna have new categories, new versus, new brands versus brands type of races, just to throw some variety. I know I haven't posted a race video in a while, so like I said, just stay tuned for these races. We're gonna finally see who the overall king of the tower is for this season, and we'll move on to the next. So this is from Heath. He actually sent us a package probably a couple of weeks ago, and Hunter sent in his Dino Car, which is going to be one of the new drivers for the track. I don't know what's in here, but we're gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what we have. I know he told me that the Ziploc bag is from Hunter. Here are some more castings I think you will like. The 3 in the Ziploc bag are from my son Hunter. Sincerely, your friend, Heath McRell. Awesome, man. Here we go. Dude, first one out of the box. So we have the Dale Sr. Black Monte Carlo. Nice. Another awesome winner circle right here. You have the Lifetime Series card along with it, with good old Dale. Now the card, of course, is not in good condition, which with these kind of things, it's kind of expected. It's hard to find stuff like this in great condition, but I think I might, no, I'm not gonna open it. I might clean up the blister a little bit just to see if I can polish it up just a tad, and then we'll have it in the display. So here we go, another beautiful number 3 good wrench. I think this one's a little bit different than the others that I have. So yeah, here we go. This one actually has the silver interior. This one has the reddish orange interior, so different generation, I'm sure. Wheels are a little bit different, so yeah, definitely a cool variation to the Monte Carlo of Dale Sr. Awesome right there. Have an Auto World special. Oh dude, I am so glad I did not buy this yesterday. I had seen this at Walmart, and here we go in the beautiful Ivy Bronze Poly. Check that out, the 73 Mach 1. God, that's a beautiful color. And I literally was about to buy it yesterday, and I was like, you know what, let me hold off on it. And I'm glad I held off on it. Check that out, man. Nice. Oh man. Oh dude, back to back. Got a Johnny Lightning, the Boogie Vans. That is sweet. Check this out. I have not seen this in our area. I've seen the brown one. It's like the brown metallic, but I have not seen this white and baby blue. Check those out. 76 Dodge Street Van and the 77 Freewheelin' Ford. Beautiful casting. See what the fantastic facts are. The Street Van was an option package on Dodge Tradesman vans beginning in 1976. It adds lots of bright work custom wheels and modified interiors. This one probably had like the little curtains and the sunshades and all that cool stuff in there, the way vans should be. Ford's freewheeling option was available on several models from 77 through 80. It added custom striping, tricked wheels, and plenty of flashy classic 70 era trends. Nice. Oh, check that out. They both have the side pipe exhausts. Definitely digging these, man. That is awesome. It's release 4 version A of 2021's release. Sweet. Oh, here we go, guys. Check this out. Beautiful. Is it a 67? Yep, 67 GT Fastback. Look at that. El Boss Man. Digging it, man. Check out the stance of this thing. Let's see, this is the Maisto, is the opening hood. Check it out, nicely detailed. Oh man, that's nice. It almost looks similar to how this one is, but this one actually has the opening hood and a very nice stance. Check that out. You got the Nitrous Express tanks in the back. That is a beauty. Clean it up a little bit and boom. Uh-oh, we got some NASCARs, but first we have another. Oh man, yes. Yes, my man. Oh, dude, you absolutely rock. Check that out. The Dale Senior Wrangler number 3. Beautiful. Look at this. Oh, man, that is so awesome. And I used to have the old Monte Carlo Wrangler car, and I don't know what happened to it. It was years ago. Dude, so awesome. Absolutely love it. Next, loose casting. Ooh, the Boss Laguna Seca. Now, I do have this carded as well as the Chase, but I don't have it loose, and here we go. Or maybe I do have it loose. No, I don't think I do. It's that Ingo Silver, of course, with the red accents for the Boss Laguna Seca. This thing is beautiful, man. Look at that. Oh, yeah. That's going to sit nicely next to the other premiums that I found in my loose bin, the Black Bandit GT350 and the GT500. Oh my gosh, it doesn't end there, guys. Yeah. Look at the AC Delco with the Superman livery. Oh man, that is so sweet. Look at that, Dale Earnhardt Jr. driving the number 3 AC Delco. Man, that is so cool. Look at that, dude. That is awesome. And it's made by Revel. Nice. Loving the wheels. Are those rubber? They look like rubber wheels. Got the nice opening hood. Not only did he hook it up with a Dale Senior on card and loose Wrangler, he hooked it up with a Dale Jr. number 3. My man. All right, next up. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Look at the Audi Sport Quattro in yellow. Dude, how did I not miss? I guess I'm looking through the screen, but oh man. Rally Champs. This thing is nice. Look at that K case. Is this an exclusive or is this just a recolor? Dude, I have not seen this out of the K, J, or L case drops. Beautiful white 10 spokes. Loving the livery on that. You got the number 1, of course, on the doors. Oh man, that is a beauty. And here we go, another Formula Gen 2 car to throw up on the track. We do have a couple loose ones right here already, and I think 2 more of this exact one in black. So here we go, we got another carded one. Oh man, here we go, another green 65, my dude. So I only scored one of these when I found mine because there was no other green 65 2+2, and I'm stoked because now I'm gonna actually free this one because I want to put some blacked out wheels on there. I think it would look good, or maybe some white 10 spokes to really make those white stripes pop. You guys comment down below which color scheme I should go for the wheels. Should it be white or should it be black? You comment down below, but nice. And here we go, we got the green Jeep Gladiator. I do have this one on card, so this one will be opened, but there we go, nice. Out of M-Case Hot Wheels Getaways. Such a beautiful color. All right, next up here is another loose car. Oh, nice. Check this out, guys. The 88 Fox body, and look at this color. Dude, that is nice. Definitely another heavy hitter out of M2. Beautiful. Loving just the simple racing livery of this. Got the Ford Performance, of course, the 88 meatball for the year. Blacked out wheels, hood and wing. Dude, this is nice. I don't even think I have. Oh, I do have that one. Ah, so that's what it looks like when it's put together. Dude, that looks so good. So this is actually gonna go, I do have a couple other Fox body out of M2s. God, I didn't even recognize it, and I literally have it right there. So I really got to take those apart and put them together because they just look so good. Nice, man. All right, next up here is another beautiful one. Check this out. This is a classic setup for the 88 GT right there. Beautiful baby blue metallic, and check out the colors in that flake. You can see some pinks and blues. Man, that is a beauty. Now, I don't have this one at all. definitely don't have this one. So this is a beautiful addition to the collection. Look at that. Detroit Muscle, my man. Oh, dude, check this out. Before we get to that, guys, oh man, let's see what's in. Ooh, look at this. Gosh, that is just beautiful. I believe this is the tail dragger. Oh, there we go. Yep, tail dragger in this beautiful bluish purple metallic. Of course, you have the really nice pinstriping in blue and pink. Chrome lace wheels. The other ones are tucked underneath those fenders, which are completely slammed to the ground. Check that out. White interior. God, this thing is just, this is a masterpiece, guys. Hot Wheels needs to bring this stuff back. I know they have the new Fleet line that came out with the moon eyes in yellow. It does look cool, but metal on metal just slammed. Man, that is nice. This beauty, guys, look at this. Check this out, guys, and look at that. We have the 70 Chevelle wagon. Blue metallic white stripes, very similar to the white stripe variation of these. Let's see if you can see the difference. This one has the pin striping around the stripes, and this one has the fatter ones. So there we go, beautiful 70 Chevelle wagon, the 64 Lincoln. Man, that looks so good. You got the chrome OH5s in smaller fitment all the way around. Then we have this one in gold. I don't know what this casting is. It looks like a really cool fantasy. And then we have this one. I can't remember the name of this, but beautiful pearlescent orange though. You got the blue chrome J5s. Plastic wing, chrome interior. I do have the treasure hunt version of this with real riders. Check that out. Beautiful hot rod. I think I have this one loose. I want to say I have it. I'm just gonna stop referencing this section because I can never seem to find anything. So we're gonna go ahead and totally just disregard me trying to find it. Then we have this one. Don't know what that is either. That is super streamlined. I think I have this casting that was sent in. It's got like a transparent hood. Then you got the little Scion XB. Check that out. Little X-Racer style. Transparent green or translucent green body. Ooh, 32 Ford with the Hot Wheels CC rod and custom. Beautiful blue though, man. That is nice. And then we have this one. I think it's the MX4 something. Turbo, but beautiful red metallic chrome PR5s. Check this out, guys. I've never seen a 10-pack like this. That is so cool. Now you guys got to let me know what the name of those other vehicles are. I think this is the Fast Feline. Yes, it does say Fast Feline. This one's the Asphalt Assault. There we go. That's the name of that one. Chrome one is the Monoposto. Then we have this one. I can't remember what that one is. This one's the Hot Wheels 40. I guess it does say it right there on the fender. MX48 Turbo. Dude, that is so freaking cool. So the only ones I have similar to this are these awesome 3-packs right here. Now these are 20th anniversary. They came out in 1988 and they do have their special edition cars, either gold or chrome. These things are awesome. So according to Mike Zarnock, I talked to him about these probably about a year or two ago. He said these first 5 right here are actually the hardest ones to come by. There are, I believe, 11 different 3-packs. And he did say that these particular ones are really hard to come by. So here we go, another awesome 10-pack to throw in the collection. This bag right here says this is from Hunter. So first one up. Ooh, nice. Check that out. We have another Jurassic Park themed vehicle. This one is the Gigantosaurus from Jurassic World. Look at that. It's got the teeth on there. Oh man, maybe we're gonna have a little fantasy car lineup. Hunter starting off with the Dino Car. Next one. Oh, there we go. Check that out. Look at the wheel placements of those. That is definitely unique and it's functional. Look at that. This one is the T-Rex. Nice, and it actually has texture. Both of these actually have texture like a dinosaur. This would be a really cool custom. Just make it like, add a little rust and patina and make it look like it was dino battled. I think that'd be really cool to do. And last one from Hunter. Let's see what we have. Oh, nice. Check this out, guys. A black 68 Shelby. What series is this out of? I've never seen this one. That is totally awesome. Black enamel. You have the red chrome 5 spokes. Really cool flames. Red interior. Might be a multi-pack car. I don't know. Do I have one in a multi-pack somewhere hidden in here? It's not any of the Flame series cars. It's not the Shelby pack. And it's not in the Mustang pack. So I don't have this one at all. I don't know what this came out of. Maybe a Heat Fleet car? You guys gotta let me know down in the comments where this Shelby is from. This is definitely a new one to the collection. Hunter, thank you so much, man. These cars right here are super cool. But the Shelby, man, definitely appreciate the Shelby. But here we go, guys. Awesome package from Heath and Hunter. My man threw in some really cool fantasy cars. You guys know I don't really collect fantasies, but I definitely want to do some raw customs with those. Hunter, if you don't mind, I definitely want to do some stuff with these dyno cars. Just make them look tough and battle driven. The 68 Shelby, man, that is so cool. Definitely a new addition to the collection. But Heath, man, you sent some wicked castings right here. We have the Dale Sr. Wrangler Monte Carlo, which I don't have. Then we threw in this beautiful fastback in red, straight out of Maisto. So loving that one. Then of course you got the tail dragger in this beautiful bluish purple metallic. It's actually more purple, but depending on the angle, looks blue, looks purple, but still. And then followed up with the Dale Earnhardt Jr. number 3 AC Delco with the Superman livery. This is super cool. Then we have a Jeep Gladiator, another 65 2+2, the Gen 2 car, this beautiful yellow Audi Sport Quattro, this 10-pack. I got to do some more research on this and see when this was released. I could just easily look on the back, but it looks like 2010, 2011 release, so I definitely do not remember when they were doing this. And then Johnny Lightning, we got the street van from Dodge and the freewheeling Ford 77 and 76. Both are super cool. Not to mention my man hooked it up with the 73 Mach 1 in this Ivy Bronze Pearl. Such a beautiful color. And another beautiful Fox body I don't have in the collection, and I'm proud to say I do. This is super cool. Love the color scheme for this one. Then this bad boy right here, another Dale Sr. number 3 in the reddish orange interior variation for the Monte Carlo. So this is an awesome one to have. Thank you so much for what you both sent. And of course, stay tuned because like I said, we're going to be seeing Hunter in the little dyno go-kart go up against the track. Maybe he's gonna hurt feelings, maybe he's gonna take out some supercars and exotics. We'll never know until we do the races. So like I said, I have your box I'm putting together along with a few other people's boxes, so just bear with me. I will have them sent out soon, but I'm definitely going to be sending you and Hunter, I'm gonna have his separated just like he did in this one. Hunter, I will be sending you a package of goodies as well within the box to Heath. So that is all we have. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up, and of course comment down below what your thoughts were of any of the castings we saw. If you have any more info on the Hot Wheels 10 pack, I appreciate you guys tuning in and watching this unbox, just like many other unboxes we do on the channel, and I cannot thank you enough. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and of course, as always, until next time guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.